When should investors stop their SIP? Industry expert Mr. Sandeep Singhi will give clarity on this now.
I think if there is a cash flow SIP, then probably you should not stop an SIP. You can pause your SIP for a few months. That's again a new feature which the mutual funds have started. And again, you need not have to stop an SIP unless until there is a financial consideration. You can pause it, of course. But if there is a need to use that money, you can probably redeem some part of money from the SIP, and you can continue the SIP for your tenure. I think stopping doesn't make sense until and unless you achieve your goal. If there are cash flow challenges, you can probably pause your SIP for some time period.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free, and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share, and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.